Welcome back. So, the upcoming episode of Jagatari brings an exciting combination of action, family drama, and rivalry. As Jagatari once again proves that she can protect her loved ones while winning the appreciation of the entire Deshmukh family. The trouble begins when Arna and Anjani visit their college to celebrate Independence Day. A flag hoisting ceremony has been organized and a minister is also present. Everything seems normal at first, but the celebration suddenly turns frightening when armed goons enter the college and take people hostage. Arna gets trapped inside, leaving the Deshmukh family extremely worried. When her phone stops connecting, Mahesh becomes especially anxious. The family fears that something terrible may have happened to her. Meanwhile, Jagatari finds herself in the middle of the dangerous situation. Instead of panicking, she immediately takes action. Using her courage and experience, she fights the attacker and focuses on protecting the people trapped inside. Most importantly, she makes sure that Arna remains safe. After a tense confrontation, Jagatari finally manages to rescue Arna. The two return home safely, bringing huge relief to the worried family. Arna then makes it clear that Jagatari deserves all the credit. She openly praises her Bhabhi and explains how Jagatari protected everyone and helped them escape the dangerous situation. This becomes an important moment because Tapasya once again tries to target Jagatari. She attempts to suggest that Jagatari is unlucky and that trouble follows her everywhere she's around. But this time Arna refuses to stay silent. Arna strongly defends Jagatari and reminds everyone that whenever the family has faced danger, Jagatari has stepped forward instead of running away. According to Arna, someone who repeatedly protects the family cannot be called unlucky. In fact, she considers Jagatari a source of good luck. The incident also strengthens the bond between Jagatari and Arna. Although Jagatari has dangerous responsibilities because of her work as a spy, she never forgets her family. She is always ready to protect the people she loves. At the same time, Tapasya's jealousy continues to grow. She is clearly uncomfortable with the increasing praise Jagatari receives from the family. Every time Jagatari handles a crisis successfully, Tapasya feels more threatened. This latest rescue is therefore more than just an action sequence. It strengthens Jagatari's position within the Deshmukh's family while creating another setback for Tapasya. Jagatari once again proves that she can be both courageous spy and a loving family member. She is willing to put herself in danger whenever someone she cares about needs her help. Now the big question is how Tapasya will react after Anna openly supports Jagatari. Will her jealousy lead her to create another problem for Jagatari, or will she finally accept that Jagatari has earned the family's trust and respect? For now, Jagatari has once again emerged as the family's protector, and a growing bond with Arna is likely to become an important part of the upcoming story. Thank you for watching. Bye.